Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to find the blueprint for the half-round room. And this you can find in one of 3 places inside of the hot lava zone, so you will need the heat adaptation in order to get into this area. And we're looking for an old dilapidated alien house, a wreckage, or the Tadpole Pens. Those are our 3 locations where we can find the blueprint data box that contains the blueprint for this. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're starting out here by the Lifepod, and I'm going to go somewhere around 105 to 120-ish, going to the east-southeast. And what we're first looking for is the kind of central area of the hot zone that's going to have the alien village. So we're just going to cruise on past here to the left side of this little spire that has this platform in front of it. And we're just going to charge directly into the hot zone, going about 105. And past all of this kind of dilapidated tube nonsense is where we will find the alien village. Because they have these funny looking kind of almost like hot air balloon homes. There's a lot of stuff that you can scan here, so make sure you come down in here. And then down in the area where you see these big holes that lead down into a cave, we're actually going to go over here to the northeast. And this torn apart house is what's going to contain our first blueprint box that has that half circle room. The other place that you can get that is if you continue going to the north, or 345 on the map. There is an actual like wreckage here with a few additional blueprint fragments sitting inside of it. We're gonna just cruise up into here in the open area, and we're just gonna park in all of this rubble here on the top level because there's some holes in the roof that we can take to get inside of here. So we're gonna zip down, we're gonna find one of these roof holes, which is right here, and down inside of here in one of these rooms is where we want to find our blueprint. It is this one. Our blueprint box is right here. And if you already have one of these blueprint boxes, the only thing that'll happen is you'll get some titanium. So at least your time's not entirely wasted. You can scan a whole bunch of other fragments in here. There's a biobed fragment. There's a power cell charger, all sorts of goodies, and a rebreather with a little journal as well. So we're just going to pop back up through the roof here somewhere. Right here. And then we're going to go return to our ship. Now, the last place that we can go to find this blueprint is actually inside of the Tadpole Pens. So if we exit out the top here, we are looking to go to the northeast of us. Maybe even just a little bit down here to the east directly. If you zoom down here past this giant ring, this is where the remnants of the Tadpole Pens are. Do yourself a favor and thoroughly explore all of these places because there's lots of stuff to scan. And then we're going to park out front of the Tadpole Pens here. And we're looking for a blueprint box right here in front of the couch. So click on that, and that should give you the half moon, half circle room. It's sitting right here in my blueprints list, and this requires 5 titanium and 5 glass in order to construct. And it's actually one of the best rooms in the game because it allows you to create your very own observation platform inside of your base because it's already got the glass built in. You don't have to add it after the fact, and it makes for a fantastic view. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you find the half round room blueprint design inside of Subnautica 2. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.